I should be arrested. I'm the worst person ever. These were for my birthday, 16th of April. Oh, anyways, guys, this is the Cars Tuber. And we're reviewing more Kias. Less Kias than usual. Actually, more than usual, but less than yesterday. So, my mom let me have these for my birthday. Well, early birthday. It isn't until April. I feel so guilty! But yeah. At the minute, I feel guilty as fuck. I should be arrested from opening birthday presents early, but mom let me do it. Seriously though, she let me open them early, and I feel so bad. She let me open them. It makes me feel worse. It just makes me... I feel so guilty of opening them, when it's not even my birthday yet. My birthday's in the 16th of April, and we're on the last day of March. I feel so awful. I really do. But yeah. So we are going to review all these cars. And first we'll take a look at this spare Flash Nielsen I got. And like, what the hell happened to him, you may ask? Well, I got this along with Morgan, Mike 07. This guy, Sheriff, just came a few minutes ago. Nigel I got yesterday. I do have a Rusty Slime McQueen for 2026, but I did make a race damage variant. Didn't go too well. I couldn't even salvage the spoiler. So yeah, I feel pretty shit about that, but ignoring that and looking at the positive, today's been really good. So yes, I did take inspiration off other World Grand Prix racers and how they got damaged. Like, you basically know how, like, Lemons go camera and go boom boom car. Yeah, that's basically how some of the World Grand Prix racers got damaged. I inspired that with Flash here. Basically, my cannon is going along a straightaway, boom, gets hit with the camera, spins out, clips the wall, and scrapes it on his side like this. That's how it happened. That's why One Eye's completely shot, because just look what happened here. Just look what happened here. It's a massacre. But yeah, I already have Flash, so we don't need to take a look at him. And yes, before you're mad at me, I'm sorry about the super chase thing. I do get why people do miss the super chases, you know, being elusive and all. So, please don't grab your pitchforks. Please. I don't want to die. So we are going to be opening Morgan next. So I love Morgan here, and he's actually still pretty fucking big, alright. Somehow, look, I think, yeah, hold on. Yeah, he's slightly taller than Miss Ritter. So don't worry, he's still pretty fucking large. I'm surprised they were able to make him thin this bubble. But yeah. And if Rusty's95 is watching this video, I feel so bad for you with your Morgan Martin being an error, with the eyes being tilted slightly. It's not with mine, but I really do feel bad for other people who experienced it. It sucks. Heck, my Rusty Slime McQueen for 2026 had ugly mark on the side. So, yeah. I'm just happy to have Morgan Martin here. This will be a short little review on all the cars I got, since I don't know what else to do. Nigel Gisli. Nigel. So yes, I don't have many World Grand Prix racers, but I am getting there. I think I need the other Flash, Max repaints, Max himself, Miguel Camino, who else? Rick Gonski, Shuto Roki, Raul Sarul, I think. I think there's one more. It could be Fernando Alonso, but I don't know. He never got diecast though, so I'm gonna have to make a custom with him. And I have loads of unfinished customs because I don't have a printer or a laptop yet. So I can't print any decals yet. Which, that kinda sucks, don't you think? But yeah. I think Nigel's pretty cool. Pretty cool racer. Sheriff Time. It's cool having another Radiator Springs Townie, and I love they add the chrome back. It just makes him look better. Man, I hate Thailand slop now. So, yeah, he's pretty cool. Missing the curve feelers like on the box here, but oh well. Besides, how are you supposed to add those? Think about it. But yeah, we got... Let's open Mike Lassens. I think he's the most exciting. But Marlon Clutches McKay, I still needed him. Yes, he's been released quite frequently, and I didn't get him until now. Funny how that works. Huh. Yeah, he's a pickup security guy. He's pretty cool. Yeah. Now it's Michael 7 time. This is the one I want to take a look the most. It feels crazy having him. I wish they did re-release DD05 with him. That would have been awesome. And I thought they had different accessories at first, since police people have different accessories in real life, you know? But no, they actually use the same exact accessories and shit like that. So, if I am gonna make a custom DD05 in the future, I know who to buy. And I don't have Red Torque Redline, sadly. But this is basically the closest I have, since they do use the same model, but with this one it has many modifications to it. Like the antennas, the light bar, the visor here, speed cameras, radios, you get, and these little pad things, so basically, if, I don't know, we use Morgan for an example, the cars bash into each other, the police car won't get damaged. You know what I mean? That's what Disney Docket said, so I'm taking it with a grain of salt. And there's this grill thing. Is he even... Oh, he's frowning. Okay. I honestly couldn't see his mouth online. Hold on. Yeah, he does have a mouth. I'm being stupid. I'm probably gonna have to outline it. Honestly, I really thought he didn't have a mouth. Now I feel dumb. Really dumb. But yeah, When this was revealed for 2026, I thought someone hit me on the head. It's like Mike O-7. Mind you, he's from a canceled Cartoon short. And he got re-released. It's lucky enough he got released once before in a free pack with DD05 and Student Driver McQueen. Honestly, I just can't believe this exists as a re-release. I honestly can't believe it. This feels like heaven. Thank you, Mattel, for making my life easier. Along with Morgan. I bet many people are gonna be after Mattel and they're probably gonna kill Mattel. And about the Cars 1 thing, I honestly don't mind it. Like, he's from a canceled cartoon short. Where are you supposed to put him? Theoretically. Think about it. So, him being Cars 1, fair enough. Besides, Gen Alpha kids are depressing anyway, so I bet they're not gonna know if he appears in Cars 1 or not. Man, I hate Gen Alpha. Heck, I'm a Gen Z Gen Alpha. I don't know which generation of human I am. But at least I'm not full of brain rot. If I am a Gen Alpha, I am so thankful I don't want Skibidi Toilet or Purple Patapim. Those are just plain out nonsense. Like, who the fuck says that to the cashier in Walmart or something? Am I going to go to the cashier or something and like, oh, Purple Patapim, Skibidi Toilet, Tung 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 Sahur? I'm not gonna do that. Who the hell does that? Not me. I ain't saying that. I'm one of the... If I'm a Gen Alpha, I am so thankful I'm not about brain rot. Heck, I've only been collecting Disney cars for 9 years. And that's my favorite thing, except Purple Patapim or something. Who the hell watches that? Thank God I wasn't born in 2022. Because that's where brain rot started and stuff like that. Thank God I wasn't born in that time period and I was born in 2013. Man. Feels crazy how depressing the world is now compared to then. With all the Roblox nonsense and crap like that. Heck, I'm even older than Five Nights at Freddy's, in fact. I never knew I reached that until recently. I am older than Five Nights at Freddy's by 1 year. It feels crazy. I'm 1 year older than Five Nights at fucking Freddy's. That is insane. So, yeah, this concludes the review of every car I got today. Man, I feel guilty as shit. And you guys are probably gonna grab your pitchforks and try to kill me because I don't care about the Super Chase re-release part. Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Anyways, by the way, Boulder.